pressure coming around. Come up under the driveway. Not good for undermining the driveway, which would probably be the end result of all that. So now we're talking about a good half an hour, easy, after it stopped raining. And well, the streets dried out. This water will be coming for quite some time. And we get it from the businesses behind our houses, off the parking lots that didn't used to be there. Comes down the hill from up above. And there's inadequate drainage. Inadequate. One drain up in the cul-de-sac. And then not another one till we get down to where that little tree is. Oh God. And so with it being low in through here, and a high point being right there, that drain over there gets some of it. Some is still coming from, there's still enough water over here that some's still coming from this side. And going over to there. And then we got all the pieces of the cold pack stuff that the city puts on in the winter. Patches, which in a very short time wash right out. And so there's the drain, one across, one right here. The ones on this side have to drain the most water because we're getting everything from up the hill, and everything the businesses in behind comes and it goes to this side. And if there's enough of it, it overflows to the other side. But if not, it's over here. So, drain there. Next drain on this side of the street, way up in the cul-de-sac. Tell me that's enough drains. And they're in the right spots.